laugh at Jason.
Ha ha ha.
You are so sarcastic. And I thought I was a popular hit singer. Now I'm a popular female singer. And how many records I just made?
How many records did you just make?
Oh, I didn't make any. These are all records that people have bought and hated and sent back. I'll keep on making them anyway. At least this is what
He's
pays me to
dumb.
do. You want some?
Sure.
Let's see. And I really,
About half
oh,
the
yeah,
stack.
I hated that record.
Here.
Oh, just have them all.
Okay. Oh. Okay, thank you.
Hey!
Uh.
Hey! I didn't get enough sent back.
Sorry,
Don't
Liz.
make me aim for your neck.
Ah!
Too bad, did I split you? Oh.
No, I'm still alive.
Let's get the nuts.
Oh!
Now you're hacked.
Ah!
Let's cut your hand off.
Ah!
And now I'm gonna cut the hand off that's holding the camera.
Owie!
Toes.
Owie! That would really hurt. Seriously.
Get close to the camera. Yes. Hey! I'm alive here! Obviously, you don't want me to be alive.
No, not really.
Woo! 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 Oh, I hit you. Wow!
Whoa.
Woo!
Whoa.
Woo!
Woo.
Okay, people's watching this. We were totally bored and we had a lot of CDs.
Oh, yeah. Lots of lots.
Yeah, seriously. And his real name is Fartworthy.
That's Caleb's name. Ow.
No. No. Oh, yeah, his name is Fartkiss.
Fart kiss? It's fart a kiss.
No, Fartkiss.
Fart a kiss.
No, Fartkiss.
Fotsworthy.
Fart and kiss.
I'm Arlington Fotsworthy.
You watch Nanny McPhee too much.
I know. Ow! That one hit me.
Sorry. Woo! We're just hitting pillows, not each other. That's why you can't see him. If you saw him, I'd throw it at him, and he'd literally be covered in blood. Woo! I'm out of CDs.
Here, let me give you some more.
Oh! You know you're actually hitting me.
No, I'm not.
Oh!
Ah! Owie! He's actually hitting me now. Oh!
I
Oh!
seriously am. He's
That hurt.
seriously-
Ow! That one actually. That hurts.
He's seriously my cousin.
Yeah, I'm actually his third cousin. Making the movie, and he hurts poor old little me.
Oh! I almost hit your butt.
Owie!
I hit it. Woo! Get it under the pillow. I heard that one.
Yep.
That was his bone cracking.
Yep.
I
Ah!
lost a
Oh,
finger.
sorry.
Ah! I need more CDs.
Ow! Owie! Ah!
Yeah, you can tell I'm not hitting him.
Ow. What? That's really painful, man.
Oh, stop
Really
acting.
painful.
I'm gonna stop the video.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Really painful. Really painful.
Just be quiet.
Painful.
Can I tell you what his middle name is?
Yeah, tell him.
Fartworthy.
No, I'm sorry. That's my last name.
Yeah. His sister's name is Katie Elizabeth Fotsworthy.
That's true.
It is. There's big farts.
Well, that one on occasion is true.
Yeah.
Ow.
Hey Bradley, show them yourself.
Okay. Hey guys, this is me. I made the movie. And as you can tell,
He ate a lot of beans.
I love ECU. Go Pirates.
He ate a lot of beans. You can tell.
Yep.
He
Lots
does
and
that all the
lots.
time.
Chili. With beans.
Seriously, that was him.
Yep.
Ew, get some air freshener.
Well, that time I'd be stuck in the
I'm
movie.
dying here.